enjoyed talking with you guys.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, Christopher's such a good playmaker.
I'm excited about the opportunity to play those.
Worst Halloween costume in college. I know there's funny ones.
My best one's going to be this year. My best Halloween costume is going to be this year. It's going to be Top Gun, it'll be Maverick, and my roommate's going to be one of the other characters, so that'll be fun.
I think I was Alice. The worst costume was like Alice in Wonderland. I just didn't pull it off right. It was just, it didn't work out so good.
My favorite family tradition is definitely the opening gifts on Christmas Eve.
You know, Big Bird was pretty cool. You know, it took a lot of...
Yeah, very healthy. Feeling pretty good about the year. Excited. I mean, it's my senior year, so a little bittersweet, but definitely excited to get the season going.
Hello world, this is Johnny D.
And I'm Sophia Ederaine.
And we're going to take you to the USD San Francisco basketball matchup.
I think we have been very, very fortunate to watch it grow and grow every
Yeah, we went to Montana, and that was amazing also.
Welcome to WCC Media Day. I'm Chris McGee, along with the coach, Dave Miller. The University of San Diego's in the house. We always love seeing these guys.
Go experience, another country and another part of the world as a team was really great. Really probably
by our conference office, by our presidents, and it's just really, we feel very...
Does he take you out to lunch?
No, I take him out to the
Yeah, but you can't score unless he's on.